Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is BTC and you're watching the Jump Power. Today we're gonna do our regular video about our trades and if you guys noticed lately I've not really been online and actually been going through a lot. And I've choose to put myself. Uh, like I've really been a bit depressed and that has really made me to trying to source find how I can get solution to my problem. Because of that I've been reading a lot of books lately. A lot of books lately. For 4 months now I've actually been losing money back to back to back to back. So this actually made me to my open to the book called The Disciplined Trader. I don't know if any of you have heard about that book by MarkDouglas. That's what he said. That was at chapter 20 that really caught my attention. I just wanted to tell you guys before go to our usual analysis that we often do. He says something on chapter 20 about how he was started trading after 2 years. Things started going from better to worse. So for father, he wanted to stay close and know what's happening. So he decided to move to Chicago. According to what he said in the book. Yeah, he decided to move to Chicago can be close to the Wall Street. So on getting to Chicago, he got he started working at a broker also and so in that broker, let me quote him according to he said there are about 38 executive seats. Out of that 38 executive seats, it's just one person that that have actually had the experience of trading with real money. So there is one thing that he realized that is always happened there. You see, this person will make $1,000 this minute, next minute he will lose $1,000. You know that what he's trying to say is that there is nobody that is always winning without losing. Understand? But that's not actually the thing that really got my attention. What actually caught my attention was when he stated that the fear of actually losing is actually what is more dangerous than actually losing itself. Because I heard that all this while I've been losing money, like the more I try to stop it, like the more I try to stop it, the more I lose. In fact, the higher I even lose. I don't know. I've I'm someone that actually believe that there is something like emotion. I try to, well, it's always like a stance actually. So the more I try to avoid losing, the more I lose. So he actually said something there. He said that when eventually he lost all his money, and when he lost all his money, there's one thing that actually happened to him. He felt so relaxed, he felt stress free, he felt relieved. Because at that point he knew that it can never get worse than this. That was when he said discovering himself and he realized that actually losing is not actually as dangerous as we perceive it to be. Understand? And for the fact that we are scared of losing, that is why we often lose most of the time. So I will advise you, I will recommend you that if you're someone that have been going through something I'm going to be losing, like someone that actually is struggling to battle with your emotion and when you read the discipline that the book is actually a beautiful book and I don't know, I can't really start it's very long story for me to start telling you everything that happened in that book, but it's actually a beautiful book and I will recommend that for you to read. So the book really made me to realize that in fact, as a matter of fact, I really felt relief because there's other things that have been happening to me lately. Unlike before, one of my strength is let your winners won. Cut your losses short and let the winners won. This had been my logic. But all this while, I've been cutting both my winners short and my losers. No, I've been letting my losers to win and cutting my winners short because I don't know. I now find it difficult to accept the fact that to accept the loss. Sometimes it's difficult for me to accept, and the thing has really made me to. It has really like I don't know, like and this book really helped me. Honestly, it really helped me. It's like it made me realize that no matter how worse it is, there's always a way out. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, I would advise you go and read the book if you're actually interested in the book. It's called The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas. It's very, very interesting. So meanwhile, let's get down to some of the trades we are currently on today and some of the trades we are looking at taking. Yesterday, went on Eagle USD. I went on Eagle USD, and if you guys noticed lately, I've not really been posting my trade because I've been battling with myself. Like I've really been trying to battle with my emotion. I've been going through a lot emotionally, and this has made me not be able to post because because I'm someone that don't want to lie to the public that this is how it is when it is not how it is. So, but recently I was starting videos. Friends that starting videos and start posting like this. Okay, and so those I really want to trade with and also trade with me if they wish. So we actually been since yesterday we opened a position Euro Euro Group Britain, Euro GDP. Actually, I opened this position yesterday at this place, at this point. This, as you guys can see, this Euro Group Britain has been making a descending channel. This is what they call a channel, where you have two parallel lines, and the price has been ranging in between. It's been making a descending channel, as you guys can see, for days now. And I was expecting a breakout to the upper side. I got this I got this retest here, then I had this engulfing at this spot, which is close to it, like it's more like a double bottom. That was why I took this trade. I took it long actually, and this is my TP up here because I'm expecting it to break out of this thing. Now, early hours of today, it actually broke out yesterday. It get to these points, and I was waiting for it to retest this trend line and start going up, or retest the channel and start going up. But unfortunately, it broke into the trade. I got panicked. Like I wanted to close this position at this spot to avoid losing my money. But that was why I said you should also try to get of that book. When I was in that book, I realized that we don't need to be scared anymore. We don't really need to be scared anymore. I've been scared so far and nothing good has really come out of it. The more I try to avoid losing, the more I lose these days. So I tried to hold on and as you can see it's actually coming up. So we're expecting to break the trend line the second time and this is our TP up here. The reason why I put our TP up here is look at it from a higher time frame. As you can see, this was like more like a double bottom right here. We could have a support line here on daily time frame and we're expecting to come up to this point. We don't know whether it's gonna break up to forward or it's not gonna break up, but to be on the safer side, we put our TP here. Now, actually, just like before, what I often do before is when my emotions were still intact rather than this way. What I'll do is at this break of this neckline now, I'll open double position. The first position is to take my profit at this spot, something like this. Something like this. I'll take my profit at this spot. Then the second position is to let it ride. Now, no matter how worse it gets, I will getting something. The first one I got will definitely upcoming for the second one. But in fact, I'm scared to lose. I'm scared to lose, and it makes me to try to manage this kind of not just risk management with fears. Understand? So this Euro group return we are currently long on it, and the second trade we are currently on is Euro CAD or even the Canadian dollars actually. With some logic, you can do I'm talking about trade support and resistance. I'm a support and resistance trader. I trade based on what people think, how do people react. Obviously, when this thing comes to this support zone, how is it gonna react? So that was why I took a long position here. As you guys can see, it went down almost close to SL and now it's going up. I'm gonna hold it like for real. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna do the thing I used to do before. So, what I have later. I'm not being scared. So the reason why we took this trade is very simple. If you can check here, you see that we had what they call like a triangle here. We have a triangle here. It had a bounce here, had a retest, bounce there, had a retest. It not get to it, it came here. But as you guys can see, over here now has been established as an OTC. So that was why I decided to take my long position up to this region. See here as my TP. Obviously, it might break it to the upside wall. To be on the safe side, I'm just taking my profit right here. Then the next trade again we took is Euro USD, Euro AUD. In fact, as a matter of fact, we took almost all the Euros. Euro AUD, as you guys can see, this is like a beautiful trade. A beautiful trade. Unlike thanks to this um this one to them and October, it was unlike before. Not before, like I'm talking about recently, unlike how I used to behave recently, I would have closed this position when it came down to this spot. So as you can see, it came down close to I would have just closed and draw and now I would have been going to it. But one thing that is always there is this whenever you are losing together, you always tend to hold your losses. You always tend to hold your losses and you always tend to let go of the trades. I don't know why, but it's often like that. Yeah, I always say people that your emotion will always act against you. Which is that it's always easier to advise someone than to do it. I found myself doing it. I found myself in the same cycle. Can tell you categorically how it is right now. Now, as you can see, this Eagle AUG and it has broken the trend line. It's supposed to retest it. It broke down. I've been scared. Now it's actually said going to a direction. First TP is here, second TP is up right here. And then people will be like, are you crazy? Why taking your profits up there? Now, the reason why I took I'm taking TP up there is look at this thing right here. Remember, there's one thing you have to be doing if you don't want to be right most of the time. Try to look at it from the higher time frame, then find your entry at the lower time frame. This is it on our the 4 hours time frame. This is actually very clear. Now, if I zoom this in on the daily time frame, you see that this is more like a double bottom. Okay, so and this spot here is the break of the neckline. The neck, not even break on the break of the neckline is up here. This is the neckline itself. So if this trade is to hold, we're expecting to get up here. And you see, most of the trades that used to pass over my account, then are really trades like this. I open position with five, six, $10. And then they're making up 1K. Because from here to here now has given you more than X20 for initial investment. So that is when they say let your winners won and let your losers cut on the loss short anyways. So as you can see, this is Euro AUD and you use right to this trade. Then the next trade again I took is Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand, this is Euro New Zealand here. Same thing. You can know that Euro AUD and New Zealand always tend to move in some direction. AUD, New Zealand is just one pair trade, which is this one also. Then the next one is I took this trade and I cancelled it. Honestly, and I regretted this out of fear. I cancelled this. I shorted this position. Like from here, I cancelled it somewhere here. Scared when I was here. And I went up and I went to this next line, touched it down. It was listening, going down. Then the next trade again I took is UC chef. UC, so this is UC chef here. So this is also making into a triangle which might likely to break out, but we don't know yet. So to that step aside, that's why we're taking our profit at this touch of this spot. So, but I'm not actually expecting this thing to break out here. I'm expecting it to get this thing there, come to this place where we have what they call liquidity sweep, where start going up. Okay. So this is just this guy few of the trade I took recently, and I've had 110 reasons why I should close this trade, but it is one of these why I refuse to close. I just want to just watch it happen. Watch it happen. Let my trade one understand because I can't believe that same me that used to preach all these things, I'm not the same person that's now cutting my profit short just because I'm scared of losing it. And if you cut it short today, tomorrow you lose it. So I would advise you if you are really going to a lot as a trader, like where I'm going, I would advise you can read up that book and also stick to what you believe in. Honestly, not always be wrong. Not always be wrong. Just stick to what you believe in. It will definitely work out. I love you guys and thanks for staying with me. And in case you have any other question, you can just hit me up. So from here henceforth, I'll start doing videos. So I just wanted to just update you guys on the trade I'm currently right now. I'll start doing videos on the trade I'm trading, the pairs I'm looking at, and every portion I take. Even if I won't be able to meet up to making these videos on daily basis, I'll surely be making the videos on weekly basis. I love you guys. Enjoy your day and take care of yourself. Love you all. Wish you all a successful week and also success. Thank you.